Is it true that Lord Krishna acted like a psychologist throughout the Bhagavad Gita? That is an excellent question. Let us go through the chain of events step by step. As soon as he entered the battlefield of Kurukshetra to fight the Mahabharata war, Arjuna asked his friend and charioteer Lord Krishna to place the chariot in between opposing armies to survey the enemy. There, in the middle of the battlefield, Arjuna saw the mighty Kaurava army along with Lord Krishna's army assembled against him, including his own relatives, teachers, friends, and loved ones. He saw Bhishma, Karna, Drona, Krupa, Shalya, and so many great warriors assembled to fight him. Suddenly overcome with self-doubt and confusion, he calls out to Lord Krishna to stop his chariot, saying he is unable to fight. Emotionally paralyzed, Arjuna tells Lord Krishna, "Krishna, my mouth is becoming dry. My body trembles and my hairs stand on end. My bow, Gandiva, slips from my hand and my skin intensely burns. My head turns. I am unable to stand steady. And, O Krishna, I see bad omens. Krishna, please help me." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, verses 30 and 31. So, a totally confused and broken down Arjuna started telling Lord Krishna why he should not fight in many verses. Lord Krishna, like a psychologist, did not interrupt Arjuna when he was talking. Only when Arjuna said, "Krishna, my whole body is shivering. I cannot even hold my bow and arrow. I am totally confused. Please help me," Lord Krishna started talking to Arjuna. Lord Krishna did not even influence the free will of Arjuna. Lord Krishna dealt with Arjuna exactly like a psychologist will treat his or her depressed as well as broken down patient throughout the Bhagavad Gita, educating Arjuna about the pros and cons about every issue. Lord Krishna never threatened Arjuna with eternal damnation of living in hell anywhere in the Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna had the right to accept everything Lord Krishna taught, or as well as the right to reject everything Lord Krishna taught. In fact, at the end of Mahabharata, Rishi Ved Vyasa has to teach a very disheartened Arjuna the whole Bhagavad Gita all over again, after Lord Krishna left his mortal body. The most amazing way Lord Krishna, as a psychologist, helped Arjuna to come out of his depression makes Bhagavad Gita a psychotherapeutic tool for psychological counseling throughout the world. Many doctors are saying today that Bhagavad Gita should be used as a clinical tool to treat psychological problems, particularly those related to anxiety, fears, depression, and negative attitude towards life. Lord Krishna started teaching Arjuna all about the thoughts and mind at the very beginning of the Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna said, "Arjuna, everything comes and goes in life. Happiness and unhappiness are temporary experiences that rise from sense perception. Heat and cold, pleasure and pain will come and go. They never last forever. So do not get attached to them." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 14. Lord Krishna gave utmost importance to mind and thoughts throughout the Bhagavad Gita, especially in the 6th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna said, "Those who have control over the mind is a friend. But for those who have no control over the mind acts like an enemy." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 6. Lord Krishna said, Those who have control over the mind, mind is a friend. But for those who have no control over the mind acts like an enemy. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 6. Lord Krishna also said, "One who can control the mind and attain tranquility, to that man heat and cold, pleasure and pain, honor and dishonor are the same." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 7. Arjuna asked a very tough question. "Oh, Krishna, since the mind is unsteady, turbulent, obstinate, and very strong, controlling the mind is more difficult than controlling the wind." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 34. Lord Krishna answered, "Arjuna, no doubt the mind is very difficult to control. However, it can be controlled by constant practice and detachment." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 35. You may ask, who is this Arjuna? Answer is you and I. Like Arjuna, we are tormented with so many agonizing problems during every day in our lives. Things come and go in our lives. We have no way controlling them. Like Arjuna, we have no idea what to do and what not to do. That is the reason why Lord Krishna's teachings regarding the pros and cons of every issue is extremely important in our lives, irrespective of whether we are Hindus or not. The video you just watched was made by Ed Vishwanathan, who has written and published 3 international bestsellers: Am I a Hindu?, Amazing Secrets of the Bhagavad Gita, and Amazing Secrets of Hinduism, which are used in many universities in USA and Canada and have received rave reviews from many Indian newspapers and magazines, as well as from the Library Journal, booklist magazines in the United States.